get himself feeling well and pitch very well up there. We'll see how it goes tonight.
Sort of a pseudo trade deadline acquisition after the deadline, as it were. It could be when Hunter ready to go. 44 RBIs tied for the team lead. First pitch of the game misses a little high. Ball one. We roll just a minute late at 7:16. Game number 112 of this Bats baseball season. And the pitch was called a ball. Hunter challenges the first pitch of the night. How about it? And it missed high. So the Bats down a challenge on one pitch. Ball one. Lee, the number 7 Mud Hens prospect, according to MLB.com, had a 12-game on-base streak come to an end in Game 2 of the doubleheader here on Wednesday. The 1-0, a swing and a miss. Fastball at 99. A double and a triple with 3 RBIs in the series. The pitch misses, and it's 2-1.
Yeah, you wonder if that's the first time that Hunter Greene has challenged a pitch with this umpiring system. They had it in spring training, but the Reds really didn't use it much.
I can't remember if he did last week in Omaha or not. The pitch is outside to Lee. He peers in, winds and brings the 3-1. Swung on, hit in the air down the right field line. It pushes foul. Walked 1, struck out 7. Here's the payoff. Swung on and skied foul off the right side. Count holds 3-2. Here's the payoff. Up and in, ball 4, and there is the second walk that Green's allowed on the rehab assignment with the Bats. And a leadoff free pass here in the first. Probably better that way. The 0-1, Banfield grounds one to third. Backhanded on a knee by the third baseman Lee. Throws to first. Pulled Malloy into foul territory, but held the bag in a 1-2.
Also earlier, an 80-pitch limit for Hunter Greene tonight in his 4th overall start on rehab and his 3rd with the Bats. Here's Lee, who started the game with the pitch. That's a strike of the knees. 1 ball and 1. Less than 2 weeks later, back on the injured list, same injury. This time it's behind Hao-Yu Lee. 2-1. The pitch, fastball, swing and a miss. 2-2. Here's the pitch, swing and a miss on a slider. Down goes Lee on strikes. That's the 4th strikeout.
The foundation over the last few weeks.
Oh, we're just still out here raising awareness, Nick.
Very nice. And for folks who may not have heard or who don't know, first one to Lee is a little bit high.
PD stands for chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, and it's just an umbrella.
Foul ball back, the 1-1 to Lee, a swing and a fly ball into right. A couple of steps to his right. Hines in the sunlight out.
Tonight, this is the hard-throwing right-hander Zach Maxwell into the game. Trying to keep it a 5-1 Toledo advantage as he works here in the 8th. He gets the leadoff 1. Now a foul out of play, first base side. 1. He delivers. Lee takes it outside. So 2nd appearance of the series. Just swinging up. The pitch, high, 3-2.
I should have held up a sign that said, "Hi, Matt," if they come back to us. I've got one ready to go.
That would be nice.
Yeah.
See you in a few weeks.
Yeah.
See you in a month, actually.
Like
a month.
Yeah.
3-2 pitch. Strike 3 call. Lee throws the bat in the air. He thought it was ball 4. They're out of challenges, so he could.
Third, 2 outs, 2 runs in here in the 9th. The pitch low, ball 1. The 1-0, way outside, 2 balls and no strike. The 2-0, swing and a fly ball into right center field. Over is Hines, the right fielder, makes the catch to end the inning. The Hens ball is prohibited. The 1-1, Valade grounds it wide of third, fielded by Lee, straightens up, throws to first, and the ball game over. The Mud Hens have won 16 straight games against the Bats. They hand the Bats their 4th straight loss overall.